Welcome to Los Sueños Resort. I'm Adam Baker. Join me as we explore this incredible property that's best experienced by booking with stay in Costa Rica. Los Sueños Resort is found just over an hour away from San Jose and its international airport on the Central Pacific coast, meaning getting here takes no time at all. Upon arrival, you'll be welcomed by sweeping views of the 18-hole par 72 golf course, which is under a vast curtain of lush rainforest and beyond to the azure blue water of the Pacific Ocean. From here, you'll notice the expansive Marina Village, which offers access to some of the very best sport fishing found right here in Costa Rica. There's also a fine selection of restaurants, stores and coffee shops to choose from. This is a wonderful place to simply explore as you enjoy a tropical, fresh ocean breeze. Stay in Costa Rica will be your point of contact for the duration of your vacation. Expect warm, welcoming, friendly faces at check-in as you collect your keys. Los Sueños has an abundance of options when it comes to lodging. Everything from 1, 2 and 3 bedroom condos which vary in style and luxury, all the way up to exclusive private villas that overlook the whole property. When booking with stay in Costa Rica, guests can also request catering services and have breakfast cooked on site at your condo or villa. If you're hosting a party, family or group occasion, this is the place to do it. Access to the exclusive beach club is included for guests booking with stay in Costa Rica. It's an ideal place to soak up the sun.
The style of Los Sueños, Adam, it's a high-end luxury resort, but still with a casual atmosphere. First of all, it's massive. It's 1,100 acres, so it's a really big property. Within 25 minutes, you can do zip line, crocodile tours, bird watching, kayaking, ATVs, horseback, and I can go on and go on. And if you want to drive a little bit more, you can visit Manuel Antonio, which is a little bit over an hour from here, and it's one of the nicest parks we have in Costa Rica. Jaco changed from being a little surf town to a mid-sized, really cleaned up city now. There's a lot of things for families to do over there. It's very family friendly. And also at night, there is some fun nightlife for adults. A lot of restaurants options over there. There's really nice beach for learning surf. And it's 5-7 minutes away from here, and it provides our guests a local vibe, really fun, really relaxed. When we started in 2001, the vacation rental concept was still new. So we grabbed a lot of the ideas from the hotel industry. So now we offer beautiful accommodations such as this with 24/7 concierge services, daily maid service, and we don't leave our clients alone. We welcome them with a cold beer, we bring them here, we show them around the resort. That's what makes us very different from other rental companies in Costa Rica. Our product is very versatile. We have from a 1-bedroom apartment up to a 8-bedroom house, so it's perfect for couples, especially for families where they can all stay in one place, share meals, but at the end of the day, mom and dad can have some privacy, which you would never have in a hotel. And the group really tailor-made their experience. They choose the menu, they choose the music. We've done like barbecue parties by the pool, and it's a really unique experience.
Guys, Los Sueños is great, and not just for the sport fishing and the golf. Honestly, it's perfect for family gatherings, groups looking to party, and even couples will have a great time too. I personally love it as it's just over an hour away from San Jose, meaning it's super accessible.
So we're here in Costa Rica. We're very proud of our customer service. I really look forward to your visit to Los Sueños.